Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you for the Zodiac pick in 2023, which is the year of the water rabbit. And if you are born in the following period, your Zodiac is a pig. And you have so many beautiful advantages. We call it the congenital advantage, which is you don't need to do anything. It just comes with you naturally. So we call it congenital. You're just born to have that kind of a characteristic. So this is something amazing. Okay, are you ready? Okay, here we go. The first one, which is I think is the most important to me, especially if you are Zodiac pig, you are really, really good. Because you have a really good, like an easygoing characteristic. Imagine in a team, Zodiac pig will involve in a team like a naturally be a nice team player, and he won't create any unnecessary conflict or challenge to the team, so which is really, really good. And let's say your friend is a Zodiac pig, you hang out with him, and then he will just be a nice friend to you, will not create any unnecessary conflict or any unnecessary argument. It won't happen because he got a really, really easygoing characteristic. So this is really important to the friendship. Okay, the second one, which is gentle characteristic. So the pig have a mind is like a really be a nice gentleman, take care of the friends and family, and be really like a nice to the people. So this is really good. Okay, the third one is a self-protected characteristic. So the pig will really know how to protect themselves, but he won't create any like unnecessary conflict. Let's say he won't protect himself and then hurt your interest. He won't do that. He'll keep a really nice balance, just want to protect himself. This is really amazing. The next one is the responsibility characteristic. If you have some important thing you want someone to help you to handle it, you can ask a Zodiac pig to do it. If he commit to do it, then definitely no problem. He will get it done and without any headache. Maybe the job is really tough to do that, but for Zodiac pig, he will just step by step and get it done. So this is really good because he got a really strong sense of responsibility in their mind. So this is something amazing. Okay, the next one is a sympathetic characteristic. This is especially good. If you want to talk to someone, go find a Zodiac pig. That will be a good choice because he will feel what you feel. You're happy, he's happy. You're sad, he's sad. He'll share your feeling and then just get involved and then be a nice like a listener to you. Okay, the last one, which is the optimistic characteristic. So the pig is born to have this optimistic sunshine style. So it's really good to, let's say if you are not happy, you talk to a Zodiac pig, you'll find a peaceful mind. This is something amazing. Okay, we finished this congenital advantage, and here I list 3 congenital disadvantages for your reference. Okay, the first one is sometimes for Zodiac pig, their patience seems to be an issue. There's too many things they want to accomplish, too many jobs they want to do it. So they need to know how to really be like a patient. Okay, the second characteristic, which is sometimes the Zodiac pig will just have their own point of view, and then they will go by themselves and go on to their own way. So for other people may think that, hey, Zodiac pig is really weird, or they don't understand why the Zodiac pig will do that. But for them, it's really, really clear. This is their way. This is their style. So they will do it, and then they don't care what you think. Okay, the last one is sometimes Zodiac pig is easily to trust anyone, especially to a new friend. So there may create some risk because maybe someone want to take advantage for Zodiac pig, and he will just take the advantage, and Zodiac pig will suffer. So this is something we need to pay attention. It seems to be some like something really contradict to Zodiac Pig, because Zodiac Pig have a self-protective characteristic. But just sometimes, I don't know why, he just easily trusts someone and get hurt. So this is something you need to pay attention. Okay, the next thing I would like to share with you is, if you're Zodiac Pig, if you want to success, you really need a team. You can't do everything by yourself. You need a really strong, productive, effective business team that will help you out. Then you need to find rabbit and find goat, because pig, rabbit, and goat together, you guys can form a really, really strong team and can accomplish a lot of important tasks. Okay, in terms of like a soulmate, girlfriend and boyfriend, you need to find Zodiac Tiger. Tiger will be your perfect girlfriend and boyfriend. And please stay away from the following zodiac, which is snake, monkey, and pig itself. Pig and pig together got an issue. For other zodiac, let's say rat and rat together, no issue. Or ox and ox together, they're fine. But pig and pig together, there will be some issue. So if you're Zodiac Pig, don't find another Zodiac Pig in your team, because that will create unnecessary conflict. Okay. The next topic is the timing. Every single day from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. and then from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. is your good luck timing. So anything important, you can use this good luck timing to do that. Let's say you have a lawsuit you want to win, you have like a surgery you want to success, you have an important contract you want to sign, or you have like an important business meeting. You can schedule on your like a good timing. Then it will help you have a more chance to success. And you need to stay away from the following bad luck timing, which is every single day from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is your bad luck timing. Do not schedule anything important at that time, okay? Okay, for 2023, there's one auspicious lucky star shining you, helping you, which is the Teen Chu. This is really good. This is like you have a lot of entertainment, lots of party, lots of good food is waiting for you. The more you have the party, the more you hang out, then the more you have your business. So it's good for you. And in 2023, there's a 3 inauspicious star which is affecting you. The first one is a Bafu. That one will have some health issues, some gossip, some like people try to be your friend, and then at the back will hurt you. So be careful for that one. And then the next star is a Teen Hong. This is a really like affecting your health. And then the last one is a Desa. It's also some health related stuff. But don't worry, because 2023 is the year that the Tai Chi is helping you. So you have a good energy this year. Anything you want to do, just go do it. This year is not a bad year for you. Okay, for the overall forecast, as I mentioned before, this year you will have a lot of lucky stars shining, lucky energy. So anything you want to do it, you didn't do it before, it's time to take action. So this year is so important. It's the time for you to make your dream come true. Okay, the next thing is the financial forecast. You'll find that there's a lot of like a good investment opportunity out there. Just go pick it and then be careful and watch the market closely. You will be fine, don't worry. And this year you will have a lot of like unexpected expenditure. So be prepared for that one. And those scam calls, those traps is always out there, is want to hurt you, so be careful. The next thing is the career forecast. This year, you need to pay attention for those hidden enemy. Those hidden enemy will really hurt your interest, especially in your work. So be careful for that one. Okay, the next thing is for the love and family forecast. I know that to live with your spouse, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, that may be a challenge, and you need to use your wisdom to accomplish it. And then there may be some conflict between you and your family member. Still, it requires you to use your wisdom to solve it, but everything should be fine. The last thing is the health forecast. This year, there will only have some like a minor health issue, because everything seems to be really good for you this year. So don't worry. Anything you want to do it, just go get it done this year. Don't waste the good timing, okay? And thanks for watching. Good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.